good taste, so
Hey, Mom, you can tell with one day or two.
I want to get hungry.
No! Hey.
You know what you're doing right now? You're pissing me off. She likes it.
She likes that?
Yes.
Does she?
Yes.
Tatum, turn around.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey, give me that chicken! Where's the egg? Oh, you're lifting.
Right there.
Baby, leave them there.
Right there. Move. Back up. Try reach it. Try that. That, Rudy.